What's the meaning of balance beam? Balance beam. Balance beam.
Balance beam. Balance beam. A balance beam is a narrow rectangular apparatus used in gymnastics and other sports to train and demonstrate feats of balance, strength, and agility. Typically made of wood, the balance beam is raised off the ground at a height of 125 centimeters and measures 5 meters in length. Gymnasts perform a variety of acrobatic moves on the beam, including leaps, jumps, turns, and balances on one foot or both. The balance beam requires exceptional focus, coordination, and control, making it a challenging but rewarding apparatus for athletes of all levels. It is often considered one of the most exciting events in women's gymnastics.